Welcome to a day in secretary. Coming up in this video, I'll take you to the auction and show you a fantastic find. I'm driving home back to the cottage after a few days away and thought I'd share the ride. And this town is called Preston, Maryland. I love it. It has beautiful old homes on a beautiful tree-lined street. And now we're heading over the bridge into Secretary. Here's our street, and at the end of the street is the abandoned house we just bought. I put a few videos up on that property, and I'm turning left into the cottage now. And whenever I come home, Mittens is always the first one to greet me. You missed me? Well, it's Thursday night, so I'm off to the auction. And that's when I saw a great solid wood porch swing and grabbed it for $20. We already have the hooks in our ceiling for a porch swing, so this was a really good find. We brought the bench inside the next day and hung it up, and we had to use a few extension links that I bought actually at Walmart. And once the bench was up, I could see for sure I definitely wanted to paint it, and it was also the wrong height. It was too high. So we took it down again and took it outside for me to clean it and sand it and prep it for paint. Not helpful. There's a cat under there. I see your face, Mittens. I'm gonna spray paint you white too then. Before using the spray paint, I used painter's tape to wrap around the chain. Once the chain was protected, I went ahead and spray painted 2 coats of spray paint. I forgot the name, but it is a paint and primer in one. I then applied Sherwin-Williams Emerald Urethane Trim Enamel for a super strong finish. So it's a little askew. These are kind of kinked, and I've tried really hard to unkink them, but I can't, so we may have to get a new chain. I don't really know. But it's very, very slightly askew. Anyway, I do have these cushions from a different bit of furniture that I'm not using any longer. But they honestly, ta-da, perfect fit. And I do want to fix the chain. I also want it to sit up more, not be so reclined. I don't know. Now I'm looking at porch swings. I see quite a few are like that. I never noticed it before. And I have another cushion, so I'm not sure if I like it like this, just plain, which I do think is pretty because then you can see the heart design in the back. But this makes it really comfy when I put the other cushion on the back. So it's pretty. I'm sure we can fix the chain or buy new chain, but I think we can fix it. Maybe we'll have to take it down and do something. I don't know. And cushion. And there we have it. $20 for this bench. I think it was a steal. I mean, honestly, I think they're probably quite expensive to buy new. And it's solid. So yeah. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.